Hey guys, welcome to Apple Tech Review. Today I want to show you F88 Airpods that you can use to replace this one or this one. If you know you want to purchase, but these AirPods second generation or these AirPods Pro are very expensive, you can go for this option because this almost has the same sound quality like these types. So let's do unboxing for this F88, then you see how it looks and the sound as well. So let's go ahead and we do unboxing. We remove this paper. So guys, this is it. It only comes with the USB, which is more short, not like in previous in these types of Apple AirPods. So it also has a lightning port. You can charge it with any iPhone cable. Then if we go inside, we check. It has almost the same quality. So guys, this one, it has this technology here that it tells you the battery and whether AirPods are charging or they are not charging. Then inside it goes in opposite sides, as you can see. Then the case is also small, same size like this one. Has the same size, doesn't have the back button. But depending on the sound quality, it has almost the same sound quality. The design was a little bit changed, if you can see. Then this one, they also have what we call these touches here. So if you compare the size, let's check and compare the size. This is same size. They all have the same size. Guys, so that is a simple review. If we play the music, you can hear the sound is high. So guys, thank you for watching.